Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix this app has been blocked for your protection error in Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey current machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version, click and expand policies. Click System, create new Dword 32-bit value named as Enable LUA, change value data to 0. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.